Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome. I'm gonna take its virginity, this cutting board, with some potatoes. I've oiled and waxed it, both sides. It's mildly sweating, which is what you want. Let's make some potatoes. Just cutting off the bad parts. I've got heated olive oil and dairy butter blend here, which is mildly browned. Just heated it over the induction. These are very cold. Let me check. Yeah, that's very nice. Perfect amount of grip. Yeah, just gripping enough, not too much. I'm basically making potato wedges, tossed in salt, pepper, olive oil, and dairy butter, and a little thyme. And they're gonna absorb that. Just getting the fugly from the potato away. They're gonna absorb that and basically be all nice. I'm gonna bake them into the oven. No need to boil them ahead. Just start on slow heat, like 150 Celsius. Damn, this cutting board is sweet. They are very hard. That was rotten, you see. And just not turn the page in the background. I'm gonna show you after how I clean or sanitize, not sterilize. Sterilizing is killing everything, basically nuking it so there can't be life in surgical application, hospitals, etc. Sterilizing is basically killing the bad stuff so you can make food on it. So in the kitchen you basically sanitize, not sterilize. There, starch. Yes, some of the best things you actually can get on your board in the start, because it basically seals the wood a little. Potatoes are some of the best things to start your end grain with. And again, it's been oiled and waxed before this. So no need to fret, no need to rush, no need to do everything other than chill out. And yes, I do this. Why? Again, the starch. I'm doing this on the meat side because that's basically the most vulnerable. Yeah, the most harmful side is the meat side. I got 2 mixes of vinegar and water, one mild and one stark, which is strong. These are 1/5 vinegar and water. This is 1/9. And you basically that's how you clean. That's easy. Look, I'm not being rude to people that use soap and then just wipe off, but you ain't getting the soap off. This Easy peasy. I'm betting this will be yellow since the teak is sweating a little. Let's check if I'm right. Also, vinegar softens the top side, which can be useful. And I'm right, a little yellow, because it's sweating. You can use a damp rag, blah 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 blah. This is more than good enough, people. Don't fret it, use it. If it's dry, oil it. But this is the best for killing off germs. It may be airborne when I'm standing over it breathing. That's germs. Look guys, this is what the butchers have used long before my day. And what's being used all over the freaking world without any problem. There, I'm done. Letting this air dry and it's ready for next use. I'm gonna show you dry hand, still sweating oil. It's a little damp. And I do this also, just the oils of your palm, and basically laying down the fibers will also help. Look, can you see how shiny I am? That's the oils. Away with ya! Oh, it's summer coat! Oops! Where the fuck did you go, you little fucker? This needs a little more heat because just putting it quickly on the induction. There. Literally 1-2 seconds is enough. Little more oil. Look, this is probably the best potatoes you ever had. They're gonna blister and get crunchy. Sea salt. Yes, liberally. The salt draws out the moisture and gets flavor. Don't be a fucking pussy here. Thyme. Again, liberally. Don't be a pussy. Freshly ground pepper. Again, don't be a little weak ass soy boy. Pepper your damn food. Look, it's gonna be flavor. I'm gonna give you a little tip to get the smoky, sweet flavor you often get at restaurants. And fuck! Did I ship the knife? I don't have room for my knives. Is it shipped or did it bend? It's so tiny. Can I get it just with that because it's that thin? Up, tiny edge for the dimension. And that shows you how durable thin edges is. I barely think you can see it. Can you see that tiny spot down there? There. That's all from dropping basically from the top of the towel there, edge down into metal. And that's the damage. I'm 90% sure this will strop out. And again, I'm a clumsy motherfucker. There, just wipe on my pants. Yep. That's dropped out, at least from what I can tell. Here's my damn paper. Let's do the hard stuff then. No problem. Let's put it away before I hurt myself. So, lots of yum yum. A little barbecue spice. We call it grillkrydder, which is basically barbecue spice. A little, this is lots of different chilies, paprika, garlic powder, etc. A little pure paprika smokeness. And toss, and toss, and toss, and toss. It's a little more oil, and this is the secret. When they're bone cold, they absorb tons of oil. And yes, it looks hella much, but it's actually drying up. And I had probably a spoon of butter too. Now they're ready for the oven. I start them at around 150 Celsius, 30-40 minutes to soften up, absorb this oil and flavor. Then turn it up to 250 Celsius until they basically blister and get crispy. Oh yeah! And then when they're done, I just take them straight out of the oven on this and toss them in a little bit of cheese. And that's a meal. Fuck! Come to daddy, and the floor is clean, so yes, it doesn't do anything. And even if the floor was more dirty than a prostitute, it would be sterilized in the oven. So, no need to worry, guys. You don't get food poisoning at home. You get it eating salad or buffets. No need to worry when home. No worry, no food poisoning. So, thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.